TV personality Minenhle Minnie Dlamini has strongly denied any wrongdoing following public statements by the Special Investigating Unit (SIU) linking her to the alleged misuse of National Lotteries Commission (NLC) funds. The SIU recently confirmed that it had concluded a settlement agreement with Dlamini, who was identified as one of several beneficiaries, said to have irregularly received funds from Shandukani Foundation, a non-profit organization under investigation for the misappropriation of NLC grant money. According to the SIU, Minnie received 50,000 Rand in 2016 from the foundation, which was funded through an NLC grant earmarked for the Rio Olympic Games roadshow. The watchdog maintains that the funds were not used for their intended purpose. As part of the settlement, Dlamini agreed to repay the full amount. However, in a statement issued on Tuesday, Dlamini pushed back forcefully against the SIU's narrative, saying she had no knowledge of the source of the funds and was never involved in any wrongdoing, and said, "I'm deeply disappointed by the Special Investigating Unit's decision to issue a public statement that has sought to intentionally and unfairly damage my reputation in relation to a matter I was never involved in nor had any knowledge of." Dlamini explained that the 50,000 Rand payment related to a professional engagement that was later cancelled. Nearly a decade after the transaction, she was asked to provide supporting documentation from 2016, which she said proved difficult due to the passage of time, and said despite my best efforts, I was unable to locate certain records due to how much time has passed. She added that her decision to repay the money was made purely to protect her reputation and business interest, not as an admission of guilt, and said, "I made the pragmatic decision to repay the amount, not because I did anything wrong, but because 50,000 Rand is not worth the reputational harm to my name, my brand, or my business. It is crucial to be clear, I did not steal any money." The media personality also criticized the SIU for publicly singling her out, arguing that the statements issued were misleading and damaging, and said the narrative being created around my name is false, misleading, and unjust, adding that she strongly objected to her name being used for attention or publicity. Dlamini said her legal rights remain fully reserved and accused the SIU of acting recklessly by associating her publicly with alleged wrongdoing, and said instead, its actions have made me the face of an investigation in which I am not a principal party, which is distasteful and extremely reckless. The SIU's investigation into the misuse of NLC funds is ongoing, with several individuals and organizations under scrutiny for alleged abuse of grant funding intended for public benefit projects. Meanwhile, the SIU has also obtained a preservation order freezing a Pretoria residential property allegedly bought with funds diverted from a National Lotteries Commission NLC grant and linked to the late actor Presley Tshweneyagae. Presley, popularly known as Cobra or Cobrazzi, is widely remembered for his iconic role as the cunning, charismatic character Thuso Cobra Mokoena in the popular telenovela The River, alongside his Oscar-winning portrayal in the film Tsotsi. The order was granted by the Special Tribunal on 18 December 2025 and relates to a home in Heads Park, Pretoria. It forms part of an ongoing SIU investigation into alleged corruption and maladministration at the National Lotteries Commission. The preservation order is directed at Charlene Christina Tshweneyagae in her personal capacity and as executrix of her late husband's estate, as well as Alfred Mzwake Skudla, the Southern African Youth Movement NPO, Domestic Babon Pty Ltd, and other respondents. In terms of the order, the respondents are prohibited from selling, transferring, leasing, encumbering or otherwise disposing of the property pending the finalization of civil proceedings, which the SIU must institute within 60 court days. The SIU alleges that about 889,000 Rand used to purchase the property was unlawfully diverted from a 15 million Rand NLC grant intended to fund Youth Arts Development Program. The grant was approved for the Southern African Youth Movement NPO, presented by Sikudla, and was allegedly channeled through Domestic Baboon Pty Ltd, a company solely owned by Presley before being used to acquire the private residence. The investigation forms part of the SIU's broader mandate to recover funds from beneficiaries of NLC grants who allegedly benefited from unlawful conduct, with the aim of restoring financial losses suffered by the state. The probe was authorized by President Cyril Ramaphosa under the Proclamation 32 of 2022, empowering the SIU to investigate allegations of corruption and maladministration at the NLC. The SIU said the preservation order obtained from the Special Tribunal marks a significant step in ensuring accountability and transparency in the management of public funds. In terms of the Special Investigating Units and Special Tribunals Act 74 of 1996, the SIU may institute civil proceedings in the High Court or the Special Tribunal to recover losses. Any evidence of criminal conduct uncovered during the investigation will be referred to the National Prosecuting Authority for further action. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.